Hi kids, today we learn about 20 deep sea creatures name in English. Anglerfish. Anglerfish has a glowing lure on its head to attract prey. Gulper eel. Gulper eel has a giant mouth that can swallow fish larger than itself. Vampire squid. Vampire squid, dark red squid with webbed arms and glowing eyes. Dumbo octopus. Dumbo octopus has ears like fins that look like Dumbo's ears. Fangtooth fish. Fangtooth fish, small fish with very large sharp teeth. Goblin shark. Goblin shark, strange shark with a long pointed nose and sharp jaws. Dragonfish. Dragonfish glows in the dark and has long sharp teeth. Barreleye fish. Barreleye fish has a transparent head with eyes inside. Frilled shark. Frilled shark, primitive shark with frilly gills and a snake-like body. Yeti crab. Yeti crab, white crab with hairy claws found near hot vents. Deep sea hatchfish. Deep sea hatchfish, thin glowing fish shaped like a hat. Cookiecutter shark. Cookiecutter shark takes round bites out of whales and fish. Sea spider. Sea spider, long-legged creature that looks like a spider in water. Glass squid. Glass squid, transparent squid that can turn invisible. Tripod fish. Tripod fish uses long fins to stand on the ocean floor. Ghost shark. Ghost shark, a wild fish with a ghostly looks and big fins. Deep sea jellyfish. Deep sea jellyfish, glowing jellyfish with long triangle tentacles. Pelican eel. Pelican eel has a large pouch-like mouth like a pelican. Bristlemouth fish. Bristlemouth fish, tiny glowing fish, thought to be the most numerous in the deep sea. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this educational video, please subscribe, like and share. Kiddo Kids Kidding.